For a while now, I've had the idea that I would like to share how I use my tuning forks on my pets. So I'm going to show you today how Teddy reacts to it. Teddy is a 5-year-old, soon to be 6-year-old, March 1st, Chihuahua poodle mix that was an addition to our family the day after Christmas. We lost our other dog, Cubby, a week before Christmas. So it seemed like it happened very quick, but I know it was meant to happen. But I'm going to show you how I use the tuning forks on him, which is something that I use on myself every day. So here we go. I hope you enjoy it. It's kind of crazy, but it works, I think. So this is Teddy. Say hi, Teddy. Well, you can't really see it, but I'm not sure what kind of camera setup I need to do this, but here we go. Hi, Teddy. He's not going to want to stay here, is he? No. You can see that there. I'm just setting it not too close to his ear. This is a 528 hertz tuning fork. Actually, this is called the MiracleTone. And he becomes very still. This one is a weighted fork, so you're not going to be able to hear it. And it also has a boot, it's called a boot at the bottom of it, which amplifies the vibrational tone of it. So we'll do that one next. This one you use on the body. This is one of his favorites. Let's see if I can just strike it. So he can feel that all through his body, the vibration of this one. This is the Ohm 136.1. You've heard of Ohm. He likes this one. Don't you, Teddy? Yeah, not real crazy about it on top of his head, but just to run it through his body. Run it over. Oh, oh. Huh. Somebody's here. Well, you get the idea, but he's got to go, right? You got to go. There's somebody here. So thanks for watching. That may be crazy, but it seems to calm him down. Thanks for watching. Come on, we got to put the chickens away. So that's how he runs. He's already in here looking for the cat. Oh, there's a chicken. Come on, chicken, bedtime. Come on, Mama. Come on, Mama. Bedtime. I gotta rustle up these chickens.